Today on the Roadside Gourmet, we're going to make butternut squash soup for two, smooth and velvety. Let's go. We're going to get that butternut squash, cut it into about 1-inch pieces. Grab an onion, and dice that up. Let's get some garlic. We're going to mince all that down. A little bit of oil in the pan. Let's add in the garlic. Onion goes in. And we want to give it a stir. Keep that moving. We basically want to get this down to where those onions are translucent. Pepper. Let's grind in some salt. Move it around again. Don't let it burn, but make sure that cooks down. Time for the squash. 2 cups of chicken broth. If you don't have your own chicken broth, it is okay to use the store-bought stuff. Give that a quick little stir around. Let's get the lid on it. We're going to bring that up to a boil. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Take a fork. Let's check that consistency. You want it to be falling apart, almost mushy. Grab an immersion blender. Give her a whiz bang. If you don't have an immersion blender, it is okay to drop this into a food processor or just a regular blender. Careful, it's going to be hot. Want to get all the chunks out of it, get it nice and silky smooth. Now we're ready to plate it. If you like what we're doing here, please mash that like button, hit subscribe, share it with everybody you've ever met. I'm gonna add a little dollop of sour cream. And top it off with a little bit of diced spring onion. And there it is, the Roadside Gourmet's Butternut Squash Soup. Check out the full recipe at roadsidegourmet.ca.